place where they make the Caesar salads right here. Tijuana Caesars. And Ricardo is going to mix one up for me.
Okay. Anchovies.
Anchovies.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yes.
Garlic with olive oil.
Garlic with olive oil.
Uh-huh. Dijon mustard.
Dijon mustard.
Black pepper.
Black pepper.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. Yeah.
Lime.
Lime.
Egg yolk.
Egg yolk.
But,
See how he expertly does it right there.
just the yolk.
Just the yolk, yeah. Wow. That's impressive.
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan.
And tequila.
Tequila.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Romaine lettuce.
Romaine. So Ricardo expertly mixes it.
More cheese. And croutons.
Croutons. Yes.
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese.
Garlic and olive oil.
Oh, excellent, excellent. Awesome.
The original recipe.
Original recipe. Look at that.
Yeah.
All right. Ricardo just made me the best salad, and I'm looking forward to getting into it. Check it out.